Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Students, in our previous video session, we have discussed about an auction in Burdwan, their bidders, and the problem of unpaid revenue. So, we'll continue on this topic. So, if the revenue demand of the state was permanently fixed, then the company could look forward to a regular flow of revenue while entrepreneurs could feel sure earning a profit from the investments. So, we'll talk about here about profit. Profit what? Profit from investment by the newly entrepreneurs influenced by British East India Company. Okay, since the state would not siphon if off by increasing its claim, state by claim. Okay, the process officials hoped would lead to the emergence of a class of yeoman farmers. Now, who are the yeoman farmers? The emergence of yeoman farmers, culprits, or you can servants of British government. Okay, and rich landowners. Again, they have created a new class, yeoman farmers and the landowners. Okay, in the place of talukdars and the zamindars. So now they have the capital and enterprise to improve agriculture. Actually, it was their fake promises to Indian people that they will develop the agriculture. What develop? Agriculture. Okay, fine. So second is permanent settlement was made with Rajas. Students, permanent settlement was made with Rajas and Talukdars of Bengal. Talukdar was also involved in Bengal. Okay, so they were now classified as zamindars. Both of them now classified as zamindars. Fine. And they had to pay the revenue demand that was fixed in perpetuity, as I told you in the permanent settlement. The zamindar was not a landowner in the village. Yes, they have to pay the amount, the revenue demand to the Britisher, but they are not the real owner. They are not. Okay, but a revenue collector of a state. So, what was their rank? The rank was the revenue collector. Revenue collector. Fine. So, zamindar had different villages under them. Students, in company calculations, the villages within the zamindar formed one revenue state. So, one zamindar, one revenue state, one revenue estate. Okay, one zamindar belong to one revenue. So, the company fixed the total demand over the entire estate whose revenue the zamindar contracted to pay. Company fixed the total demand. Fixed total demand. Total pay by zamindar. Okay. Now company asked him to collect rent from the different villages, paid the revenue to them. Collection of dues from villages. then they have to pay to same amount to the British government. Okay, so he was expected to be pay the company regularly, failing which he stated could be auction, like they have done in Burdwan. Okay, so next topic is why Zamindar defaulted on payments. Company official felt that a fixed revenue demand would give Zamindar a sense of security. A sense of security. Okay. Of security and assured of return on the investment, because they have now humans and landowners now, and the people who are investing in agriculture, so they need some profit, as I told you back. Okay, in the early decades after the permanent settlement, however, Zamindar regularly failed to pay the revenue. They were regularly failed. That's why the estates are being sold now. Regularly failed to pay. So now why they have failed, we have the reasons. The reasons for the failure. So the reason for the failure were various. First, the initial demands were very high. So demands. First is demands. Okay. Because it was felt that if the demand was fixed for all the time to come, company would never be able to claim share of increased income. Increased income. Okay. And company would not able to claim a share of increased income. To minimize this anticipated loss, company pegged the revenue. Pegged the revenue. Okay. So first is demand. जब डिमांड इतनी होगी तो how could farmers can pay this amount to zamindar, and crisis can come there because nature is not in the control of humans. So arguing that the burden on zamindar would gradually decline. Burden decline. Okay. And as agriculture production explained and expanded and price rose. Agriculture production expanded and price rose. So this was their first reason, that why are not regular, why were not they regular to paying the company. Okay, the rest we'll do tomorrow, students. Tomorrow we'll do second, third and fourth reason. There are 4 reasons and zamindar as important. Today we have covered the topics why zamindar if default on payments, okay, and the real owner, revenue collector, collection of dues from villages, the duty of zamindar. Thank you students, God bless you.